Hello everyone, this is my portfolio of everything that we have done this semester. This is my home page. I had made a tab for just this class, so you see emerging technologies. I did separate my technology analysis report from the class as the list was a little too long to click it, so I did most of the classwork under its own tab. So we will go to emerging technologies in the infographic. And I made the heading match my file. So it has the same pictures for the consistency. And I explained what emerging technologies was, that the three topics that I had picked for my infographic, and that what we will learn about the three different things, why they were made, the risk of implementing, which was something I really did learn, and skills that helped me learn new technologies that I would need or that I could implement in my classes. So I think that was really fun to work on. If you scroll down, I do have a button for it, and it pops up in its own tab to view. Now we'll just close out of that, and we can go to my next one, which is the gamification presentation. Again, matching the same theme to what our PowerPoint was. I explained a little paragraph about what gamification was and that what we will be addressing in the PowerPoint, which is how we got a specific scenario and why it was important to add gamification in there. I believe this one really helped think about all the different reasons why one would need gamification, and even just understanding what gamification was, because I never knew what it was. So I think this assignment really just helped me understand why gamification is really important and critical in educational courses and in the classroom, not only for adults but students, which I think is just a great way to help your students as well. Then the next one is the website scavenger hunt. Then we talk about what we learned, the accommodations. I didn't know that websites have to be compliant with ADA, so I just explained the different websites we had to look up, and that I learned about ADA websites, which I think is really important too as an instructional design person that I will be going into. So I think it was great knowing that websites do have more rules to follow than I expected. And then if you scroll down, it's just attached on the bottom as a PDF. No button this time. But then our next one was micro learning. Same thing, matching the colors. It's on the bottom as a PDF. Showed my Duolingo module, explained about the micro learning I use for my job as a teacher, and then explained that I was able to do firsthand experience of micro learning, not only for Duolingo in our class, but also as my career, which I think was a great thing to know because I didn't know it was called micro learning. So that was interesting to find out about. And then my self reflection, I did it again as a PDF to view and explain why it's important to self-reflect over our semester. I think we learned so many things this semester than other classes that it was really important to think about all the information and how we can have effective methods in our classroom and then really implement these different resources that we just researched. And micro learning presentation. This one was really fun. I put, have you considered micro-learning, since we were trying to introduce it to a university? I explained why it was important to have micro-learning, what are the benefits of it. I think it was really fun, again, learning more about micro-learning, and that it's actually becoming really big within universities. And even like I researched a community college, and I just thought it was crazy that a community college had it. But some big universities are not onto it yet, so I just thought that was interesting. And again, scroll down. This one's in a button so you can see the full PowerPoint. I put it as a Canva to make it easier accessible on the website because the PowerPoints are a little hard to make on to attach on here. to make them look nice. Um, but I wanted to do Canva. And then our technology analysis report badge shirt, I made sure to match the colors to the program that I was using, as that is what I was introducing. I explained what my project was about, why badge shirt was being introduced, what it was, a badge system, and then just making sure I told them about the benefits, the different degree programs that I think it would work best in. I attached it as a YouTube video in my slides, and then I put the button for the document and a button for the slides to view yourself. Again, I did it as a Canva file instead of switching it over to PowerPoint to make it easier to view on the website to follow along. And that concludes my website. Hope you enjoyed as much as I like making all the different headers and matching them to all the different things. But thank you so much.